Build your house stage by stage, step by step. Stage 1. Site setup. Set up site ready to commence building works. Provide site toilet and security fencing to protect the building works during construction. Ensure the provision of adequate health and safety documentation and insurance for the duration of the contract. Provide a skip to remove all debris and waste during the construction. Foundations. Excavate for foundations using mechanical plant and cast foundation prior to construction. Variations for additional excavation, trench support and concrete, etc. will incur additional costs. The first pre-commencement inspection occurs. Stage 2. Footings. Construct brick and block footings of prepared foundations. Oversight and slabbing. Construct a beam and block floor. Installation is laid on top of the beam and block floor with a concrete screed on top the installation to finish. Drain. Excavation for all drains and one manhole. Lay drains and form manhole as required. Provide all necessary trench supports during installation of drainage. Erect scaffold. Erect scaffolding on site to provide access for all contractors. No allowance has been made to adapt the scaffolding for clients or their own contractors' requirements. The second footings and steel inspection occurs. Stage 3. Brickwork shell. Construct facing brick in sand, cement, mortar, leaving all joints with recessed finish. All openings around windows, doors, etc. to be provided with vertical, damp-proof courses where required. Internal leaf to be formed in blockwork. Brick to be chosen by client. All internal walls to be constructed in blockwork. Structural openings. Form 7 structural doorway openings as required. Roof structural. Form roof structure including any fascias, barge boards and associated guttering as described. Fascia to be in mahogany redwood colour UPVC to match with exterior windows and doors. Roof tiling. Lay concrete tile roof covering. Tile to be chosen by client. Go to Design, Build, Inspect and find a range of suppliers to select from. Stage 4. Waterproofing and tiling. The wet areas will be waterproofed in preparation for the tilers to start work, generally after or even during the timber mould out. Timber mould out. This stage involves the carpenters installing the skirting boards, architraves, door jambs, doors and kitchens. Lock-up is when all external doors, including garage doors, are on. PC fit-out. PC is a term for a prime cost item and includes tapware, bath, mirrors, vanities and other accessories which are installed at this stage. Plumb first fix. Run all kitchen and bathroom waste pipes. Run hot and cold water feeds to kitchen and bathroom. Fit water-based underfloor system throughout the entire floor space of the annex with digital thermostats. This system would run off the boiler from bungalow, but would be separately controlled within the annex via the digital thermostats. Electrician, first fix. Install all cables, consumer units and conduits prior to plastering. Plastering. Apply plastering system to walls and ceilings. Joinery, second fix. Fix new timber door frames into block work openings. Skirting architrave. 6 panel doors and door furniture is to be fitted by client. Electrician, second fit. Fix electrical fixtures and fittings. All socket and switch face panels are to be standard white. All electrics to be certified upon completion. Practical completion. This is the point in time when an inspection is conducted when the builder is almost finished. You will walk through the development and with the site manager and point out any items that still need attention. By this time, it should only be touch-ups and minor items requiring installation. Insulation and drywall. Builders then add insulation between the studs of the home and cover the walls with sheetrock. Windows and doors are sealed to keep outside air and precipitation from entering the home. Exterior and interior finish. Once the drywall is complete, builders work on details of the home's interior, including trim, outlets, tiles, faucets, carpet cabinets and countertops. All walls are painted or wallpapered. Any incomplete parts of the exterior are finished now, including sliding, exterior paint, driveways, sidewalks. Inspectors check the outside of the house thoroughly to make sure everything has been done properly. Landscaping. Landscapers finish grading the lawn, plan drainage and set up any irrigation system. If the sewer tank hasn't been installed, it goes in the ground during this stage. Finally, workers install fencing, lay out sod and plant trees with shrubs. Final tasks. Building work is finished, but there are 3 final things to consider. 1. A final inspection must be carried out by the building inspector to ensure everything complies with your building consent. If everything is satisfactory, a code compliance certificate will then be issued. 2. Most contracts allow for a retention or withholding sum to be held back for a certain period, known as the maintenance period. After building is completed, this will be a percentage of the total price and 10% is common. You may have the opportunity to live in the house during this period, although it may not be possible if a CCC has not been issued, and if any problems or defects come to light, the builder is obliged to fix them before the final payment is made. It is important this period includes part of the winter when the weather is usually wet to test for weather tightness. Note that under some guarantees you cannot hold back any money or your guarantee is invalidated. 3. When leaving the site, the builder should ensure it's clean and tidy and ready for use. Give you any operating instructions and appliance or product guarantees and instructions for special maintenance. Arrange a date to come back and fix any problems that appear over the next few months. Final inspection. You as the owner should advise the council when work is completed and apply for a final occupational certificate.